Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In the last video, we saw how to download Cisco Pocket Tracer in official web page. So if you don't download the Cisco Pocket Tracer setup file, you can go through that video. I will give that video link in the description. So in this video, we are going to see how to install that Pocket Tracer using that setup file. So for that, I download the Cisco Pocket Tracer setup file in the download. So I check my downloads. So here is the Cisco Pocket Tracer setup file. Open it, then go to run, then click yes. So you have to accept the agreement. So for that you have to change this to agree. Next, then you can change the location of the Cisco Pocket Tracers. Next, then next. If you want shortcut icon in the desktop, just click this, then next. After that, you have to install the Cisco Pocket Tracer using this. After complete the installation, it will create the icon in the desktop. So this is the Cisco Pocket Tracer icon. So double click to open it. So this is the Cisco Pocket Tracer. You can work in this software using this different kind of tools. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want more videos about Cisco Pocket Tracer, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.